What is up, you guys? It's been a hot minute. So today's video is just going to be us cleaning out everything. I'm not ready for this. There's a lot, and you'll go ahead and roll some footage of the befores, and I will go ahead and show you the afters, you know, after the video. It's a complete mess. We haven't cleaned in like a whole month. A whole month
or two.
Yeah, definitely. So we're just gonna go ahead and I'll show you the little process. You know, maybe it'll get done today, maybe it won't. But yeah. So it is currently 9:27. Alrighty. And what time do you want to be done by it with the rooms?
Like 1 or 2 in the morning.
Alrighty, so I'm saying like 11 or like 12. I also have a cat who will probably run away that you saw. There he is.
Oh. We have Disney pins. This is hers. And then
I don't know.
there's,
Oh, it's in here.
there's my lanyard with pins and a bracelet.
These are gonna go over here.
Hey, I can use some of this.
No.
Why not?
You're good. I'm
Scared me.
gonna throw them over there. Wow, look at a clean corner. I thought this was a spider. I was about to say. If you guys don't know, spiders and I are not friends.
I like spiders as long as they're not trying to attack me.
Who goes to McDonald's and eats hamburgers?
Why not just get chicken nuggets and
Yeah. So story time, real quick. We went to Disneyland to celebrate our birthdays. I was in my smart car and we were pulling up into the Toy Story parking lot to go pay for parking, you know. Anyways, pay the $20 fee, and then he asked something. Grace and I were both wearing Disneyland merchandise, you know. I was repping the ombre shirt. She was repping my Pluto shirt. It was a great day. And then they were like, they kind of mumbled something, and I'm a theater major, so you never say no, you always say yes. And then he's like, all right, this one's gonna be the one. And then he was like, all right, come over here. And he called his like other coworker. He's like, all right, you guys, you have free parking. You're gonna be the guest of the day today. And I was like,
well, we didn't know you were the guest of the day.
Yeah, we were like really confused because it sounded like, oh, are you staying at the resort? So we thought like, I just thought like, oh my god, did we just lie about being in the resort? And like, what if this like wasn't really like, you know, wasn't really supposed to be given to us?
Funny story about this.
Yeah. Oh my god.
We got it after my birthday because I had $75 and I spent $25 at Target. I got clear nail polish and then we used so much of it that it was gone in like a week. Yeah. Because we kept doing our nails.
Yeah.
So we got paid today for doing something for our dad, and then we ended up going to Target. I got makeup and a sketchbook, and I came back with 9 cents.
Out of 20.
20. I came back with 9 cents. It came to $19.90.
Oh, I found my brush.
So she always shops at ColourPop, whether it's for
I should be an advocate.
whether it's just her or whether it's just her shopping for herself or her shopping for both of us. But I love how they send like the cards and everything with them because they're just so cute. It's really cute. It says you're a peach.
Here, I'll keep
And it has a little peach on it.
So cute. I should have another one somewhere in here too.
at Target and there's these two people playing Marco Polo. He was like, what are the odds that you, like, not scream, but like yell kind of, Marco? And then I said 1 out of 20. I said 10 and she said 20. And so, in the end, I ended up wanting to. Kind of, but not really. And then she was like, do it. And so I went to go say it, but I choked on my saliva. And so I made a noise like a dog choking on food or something. And then we both just sat there for like 5 minutes laughing.
Alrighty, you guys. So it is now 4:04. And we just barely finished our room.
Yeah.
If that doesn't give you like enough insight of like what our room looks like, you're gonna be really shocked when you see the in footage. Now we still have to clean the other room.
I said like 1 or 2. You said 11 or 12. It is 4 in the morning and we barely finished.
Yeah, so I guess none of us were right. None of us win anything. But you know, it's not that bad.
At least we got it done.
Definitely. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and clean that other room and show you some footage of that, and then we will be right back.
And we are back. We're in our living room because we magically transported here because we are magicians.
And magicians, that is, you do not get that twisted.
No, you do not.
So we are gonna transform this space into a clean living room.
It's not that as messy as our room.
Yeah, you just saw the mess in our room and us trying to clean that.
This is better.
Definitely.
A lot better.
Definitely. Yeah.
It'll be faster.
Yes. Awesome. So we'll go ahead and take you guys along with that journey. We'll time lapse it and then we'll go ahead and let you guys know the end result. Hey, what's up, you guys? So, it has changed quite a bit. One, because it's daylight outside and not nighttime.
And 2, because we fell asleep.
Yeah, we fell asleep. You know how we said, yeah, like 12, 11, 12, 1 or 2.
We finished at 4.
And that was just the room, like you guys heard. So, right now, we're going to go ahead and go into the other room and clean that up, and then we'll go ahead and show you guys the process of that. Because I know that you'll probably question it. So yeah, let's get going. Alrighty, you guys, so we are just about done with finishing these 2 rooms here, but I just wanted to show you guys how much trash that we've accumulated over the past like month or so, because we've just been super busy. But here is 1 bag of trash, 2, 3,
and
4 bags of trash. That is so crazy.
All of them are full though. Like only like 2. But still, it's a lot of trash.
It's so much trash for just 2 people to make. That's the crazy thing. But yeah, we are just going to throw it all away right now, and then we're just going to go ahead and vacuum and then show you guys the befores and afters of the room. I'm so excited because it's definitely,
are gonna see a huge difference.
it's definitely a lot. So yeah, can't wait to show you guys. Peace out, Girl Scout. Alrighty, you guys, so we are all finished with both of these rooms. Oh my gosh, I can't wait for you guys to see this.
So exciting.
And it's so different. Are you guys ready? Roll the clip.
Hello, and welcome to our crib. Hello, and welcome to our new and improved crib.
Alrighty, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every last one of you guys that still stuck around to our little journey with this rooms. Oh my goodness, it was a journey.
It was difficult, but we did it.
Yeah, we did it. Yes. Yeah, we tried to stay up all night trying to clean the rooms, and then, yeah, that just didn't happen. Around 5 o'clock, your girl crashed.
It was. I tried waking her up. She didn't want to wake up, so I just let her sleep. Yeah. And then I went to bed.
Go ahead, make sure you subscribe down below and leave a like. And then if you guys want to go ahead and follow me or my sister up on her social media, go ahead. I'll leave it somewhere around here or definitely down below.
Also, comment down below videos you would want to see in the future.
Please.
And we will try our best to get to them.
You got it, yes. But yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching.
It means a lot.
Yes, bye guys!